Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my most favorite ribbon rosebud, and I named this as Classy Rosebud because it's really classy. Prepare your ribbon with the size 1.5 inch wide and 48 inch long. I use one-sided satin ribbon, but if you use double-sided satin ribbon, 30 inch long is enough. Layer them together like this, so if we use double-sided satin ribbon, we can skip this step. Fold your ribbon like this and stitch to secure the center. Wrap around like this. It's easier for me to put the ribbon on a surface. Now stitch to secure. So we just repeat these steps, wrap a few times, then stitch. You can see if we use double-sided satin ribbon, we don't need to hold the tail together like this. Now I will show you how to finish this off. Fold this one. And our rosebud is finished. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe.